So we can estimate the shaking severity from the earthquake, and then from that, there are ways to estimate the impact on people, including loss of life. That's not a very precise science because it depends on a lot of things that we can't estimate in advance. The largest city that experienced strong shaking is Lakai on the southern peninsula. It has a lot of vulnerable concrete construction, and so the question is, was shaking as strong as we expect on average in that one location? Was it maybe slightly lower than average for various reasons? Um, and so the estimates of fatalities are often very, very wide. But yeah, no, this was big enough. There are enough people in the area. There's so much vulnerable construction.
And many people worry about their hollow blocks whether can be support a human. So let me try now. So now you can see me stand up on the blocks anyway. And I will jump. Our test this place all okay. Here. This blocks is what I chipped. And also this pattern. You see the blocks after dumped on the blocks, even the hollow blocks were not damaged, were not destroyed.